Hey guys, so this is the second portion of the SEO on-page optimization. So let me show you how it works. So if your website is related to plumbing, so if you're searching for a plumber in Sydney, or plumber is nearby me, or plumber in South Carolina, plumbing service. So that is a keyword that you need to specify on your website. That depends how well your content is written is, and even writing the content is not that enough. You will have to put that specific, like you will build your website on a keyword specific, and you have to put the title tag and then add the meta tag. I'm just going to show how it works. So first let's check go to the SEO site checkup. Okay, and then I need to put the URL here. So let me put some. Okay, let's put the URL here and then click on the checkup, and then it will analyze your website and will give you a technical report on your own page, how your website is currently stand, and where there is a need of an optimization. So this is the score that you can see this website has performed. So if your website is like 80 or 90%, then there is a good chances that Google will crawl your website in comparison to those who has a less SEO score. So you can see 12 failed, 4 warning, and 50 pass. So what are theirs? So to provide a good user experience, like a Google recommended should have the largest content pane duration or 2.0 less. So you can go through all the the improvement, and then you can work what are these meta title test. Okay, it has a meta title test, and then meta description is not found. So like a meta description, which is a description about the website, like when somebody crawls. Okay, social media tag, whenever you want to share your website to the social media, then it should have a different tag. Okay, yeah, so you can find these report by yourself, and then like a few things that we can handle. We can fix those, but it's very rare we can fix 100%, because your website is hosted on third-party platform, and you can't optimize all. So however, you can still get the best result that you can get by eliminating the things that are in your hand. Okay, so this is the on page. Once you fix all these and your website has a good score, then after that you can try to submit your website to the Google. That will have a keyword related searches. Your website might come faster regarding the keyword related searches. So this is it for the on page SEO. And then if you want your website, you are a guy who want to serve the local area, then you will need your local service to be searched on the Google. Nowadays, a Google, lots of people are running a paid advertising, and then sometimes lots of competition. If you work on the off-page SEO, and then your website come up on the keyword that you specify, and that's you don't need to pay for the Google for the PPC. Your local searches would come up, and then you will generate a more revenue. So in my experience, investing in the off-page SEO is way better than investing in the PPC. I don't say don't go for the PPC. Go for the PPC, generate a lead, but meanwhile prepare your website to come up on the Google. Sometimes you don't wanna, or your lead cost is so high and you are not getting results. So you would want somebody who has a good website, who has worked on the SEO, and then preparing her website to be searches on the Google. Then they will have a more better result, and they will stay for long in Google. Okay, so if you want us to
I'm not sure I
get
understand.
you, if you want us to inspect your website or do the SEO audit for your website, either on page, or you want us to do this for you, then you will get the email ID here, and then shoot us an email, and then we will get back to you. Okay, thanks.